So here, since expected value of g bar of xy is equal to fx, which means that g bar of xy approaches f of xy as the number of noisy images used in the averaging process increases. So we'll see an example. So especially the application of image averaging is in the field of astronomy. So there are around 6 images over here. This is image first one, second, third, fourth, five, six. First one is image of a galaxy pair NGC 3314, which has been corrupted by additive noise. And then you go on adding the same set of noisy images, right? So B to F, results of averaging. You average 5 images, you average 10 images, you average 20 images, 50 images, and noisy images. So you can see here the image which was corrupted is noise is relatively clearer in images wherein it has been averaged 50 and 100 noisy images. So application of image averaging in astronomy, where imaging under very low light levels frequently cause sensor noise to render single images virtually useless for analysis. Now, next application, an important medical application, is in image subtraction. So one frequent application of image subtraction is an enhancement of differences between images. Right. For example, in figure 2.27b was obtained by setting. Okay, we'll skip this. Right here, another illustration we discussed briefly, an area of medical imaging called as mask mode radiography. This is an important application of image subtraction, that is mask mode radiography. It is a commercially successful and highly beneficial use of image subtraction. So consider the image differences. See here h of xy is a mask, that is the X-ray image of a region of a patient's body and which has been captured by an intensified TV camera instead of the traditional X-ray film, right? So this mask is subtracted from the original image to get the differences. G of xy is the difference. So the procedure then consists of injecting an X-ray contrast medium into the patient bloodstream. Take a series of images called as live images, which are denoted as f of xy, samples of which are denoted as f of xy of the same anatomical region as h of xy, and then subtract the mask from the series of incoming live images after injection of the contrast medium. So I'll repeat again. H of xy is a mask. It is an image of a patient's region of a patient's body which has been captured by an intensified camera, right? First you capture an image, then you inject the contrast medium into the patient, and then take a series of images of the same anatomical area, subtract from this, and what you get here is the differences. And if you see this at TV rates, 30 frames per second, you will feel the effect of the contrast medium moving through in the body. I'll show you an example of that. So the net effect of subtracting the mass from each sample is the areas that are different between f of xy and h of xy. They start appearing in the output image as shown. You can see here. This is the mask image. This is a live image. You subtract from this. This is what you get, right? And this is the enhanced image, enhanced difference image. When you inject the contrast medium, take a series of images, that is h of x, subtract it from f of xy, we get g of xy. If it is enhanced, you can see how the contrast medium moves. So this is an application of image subtraction, especially in medical application, mask mode radiography. Then comes an application of image multiplication and division is shading correction. Suppose that an imaging sensor produces images that can be modeled as a product of a perfect image divided by f of xy times a shading function. That is g of xy is equal to h of f of xy into h of xy. If h of xy is known, we can obtain this by multiplying the sensed image by the inverse of h of xy. That is dividing g by h. You know this. You want to find out this. You take this to the left hand side, g by h. G of xy by h of xy will give you f of xy. We'll see an example. You can see here, this is the shading correction. This is the shaded scanning electron microscope image of a tungsten filament. and support, which has been magnified 130 times. This is the shading pattern. So C is a product of A multiplied by reciprocal of B. Reciprocal of this, just now we saw g of xy by, you know this, you want to find out this. Then you divide g by h. So here also, this is g, this is h. You divide this by this, you get this. You can see it. How much this is better as compared to the original image. And the last application is in multiplication. We use called as masking, right? Another common use of image multiplication is in masking, also called as region of interest operation. And it consists of multiplying a given image by a mask image that has ones in the region of interest and zeros elsewhere. So this is a digital dental X-ray image, and see, basically we want to isolate teeth with the fillings. So what we do is we choose masks. These are called as the region of interest. Here we have got all ones, others are zeros, and if you multiply these two, this is what we get. So the process consists of multiplying given image by a mask image that has ones in the region of interest and zeros elsewhere, and there can be more than one ROI in the mask image. And the shape of the ROI can be arbitrary, but most of the time rectangular shapes are used frequently for the ease of multiplication. So this completes module